Kamachielo nyakoro mojong darango ane chenro machielo mantiere kar kae komayudo kanyo ni Skund sekondar mano mar yawuowi kod nyiri mano mar Rigena mayudore Nyamache kaunti ma Kisii yuago lal mathoth mane giyudo kaluwore kod kontrakta moro mane loso ndara e alworano muko chiel kod choo. Ma en gino maketo ngima jopuonjre kamarach kaluwore gi japuonj maduong' mar skul no mano Bernard Juma ma bende en jakom mar riwruog jopuonj madongo mag sekondar e Nyamache Kesha. Owacho ni gino miyo degi mag pi obarore kendo keto ngima mag jopuonjre kama ok ni kare. Bura ma kamano bende osego e tesend obila kod tesende mamoko ka tend apisas mag somo nyaka sani to gimoro amora mosetim mano nyaka sani ka giwacho ni ne gitemo manyo jatend migawo mochung' ne weche mag apaya e kaunti ma Kisii to nok giyudo duoko.
I decided to bring it down without any notice. Nobody has ever given us any notice to the effect that this fence could be encroaching on the road. The fence has been there legendarily. I found the fence there, and so I wouldn't know if the fence was on the road or not, but I thought it was good manners to even be given a notice if the fence would be on the road so that we could move the fence. This contractor simply pulled down the fence, and if you have seen there, he also pulled down an entire latrine that is used by the girls, and even let the sewerage flow onto the road, which is a serious health hazard. So as we speak today, we don't have piped water. The piping system was vandalized, was pulled down. The entire fence was brought down, almost 100 meters. If you can see, the fence is almost 100 meters long, the section that was brought down. And we have reported this case. We have reported to the DCI, to the police, to the Ministry of Education. We have reported to the county government. The sub-county admin has been here. The DCC is aware of this case. He has been here.